This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can switch the shooting mode to slow motion on this device. So there are ultimately two ways you can do that. So first, take the action pod, power it on, open the camera preview. Now go into the mode selection by either tapping at the current mode here, or just swipe to the left or to the right from the middle of display. Here, scroll until the slow motion mode is selected. And well, here you have it. The slow motion mode is here. The slow motion mode is enrolled. Now simply hit the record button to start recording your slow motion. So let's record the test slow motion video and see what it will look like. Here it is. Can we... Yeah, the slow motion video must be viewed in the app. We were going there anyways, so let's go into the albums. Here it should be. Yep. Now I will show you the second method you can use to record or switch to slow motion video mode. So as I've already mentioned, launch the Insta360 app, go into the camera preview as well, and here open the list of available modes and switch to slow motion. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.